The causes of failure are complex. Our motivational cliches are only so helpful in the face of this complexity. How do you never give up when confronted with a bug you've never seen? Failure is so common in computer programming that coders have poured time and energy into developing sophisticated tools for debugging. What we need to know more about is how students in the moment-to-moment work of talk, gesture, and action in the classroom actually learn to debug. Our research project looks at how small coding workshops held over the summer and on weekends can cultivate and sustain a debugging culture. In these settings, students have access to a wide range of debugging tools: automatic syntax checkers, ways to step line by line through code, and objects for modeling code. Our instructors guide students through these tools using a 5-step debugging process that prioritizes student agency and self-reflection. Reflection is sustained in coding journals, where students set goals and strategize, in art projects about emotion and storytelling, and with personal statistics about debugging. Our longitudinal case studies and micro-interaction analyses track the development of debugging skills over time. Our instructors and researchers formulate, test, and redesign conjectures to track how our debugging culture comes to life in the classroom, how art can be a powerful point of departure for storytelling about failure, and how it looks to teach debugging. As our collaborative of researchers, practitioners, and engineers moves forward in the Debugging Failure Project, we are focused on building a learning community that understands and constantly redesigns its own practices around failure.